Welcome to Electronic Geek. In this video, we will see how to generate a square wave using a voltage source in LTspice. So let's get started. So in this video, we will generate a square wave with maximum amplitude of 5 volts and a frequency of 1 kilohertz. So first of all, let's design a small basic circuit to do that. So go to this components, select voltage, place it over here, press escape, select the resistor like this and finish the circuit using wires. Connect the wires like this and like this. Also we have to connect ground to our circuit, so I'll extend this wire. I'll select ground and I will place it over here. I will choose the resistor value to be 100 ohms. Now for generating a square wave, we have to change the parameters of this voltage source. So right click over here, go to advanced, and over here we have to select this pulse option. So when we select this pulse option, we can see different parameters and we have to put the value for that. So this is V initial, this is on voltage, this is time delay, rise time, fall time, on time, and the period. So as I said that the square wave that we will be generating should have a frequency of 1 kilohertz. So when I say frequency is 1 kilohertz, so the time period can be given by 1 upon the frequency. And if you do 1 divided by 1000, then you will get 1 millisecond. So our time period has to be 1 m. As I said that the maximum amplitude we have to keep is 5 volts. So we will leave the initial voltage to be 0, on voltage to be 5. This is the delay which has to be 0. This is the rise time of the signal. So ideally this rise time and fall time both should be 0, but we will keep it very low. So let's keep it 0.01 micro, and the fall time will be also same 0.01 micro. Now this on time is basically going to determine the duty cycle of the generated square wave. Now when I'm saying that the time period of my signal, so basically the time period of a square wave is defined from here to here. So when I say that this time period is 1 milliseconds and the on time is, let's say, 0.5 milliseconds, which means that the duty cycle is 50%. So the duty cycle is nothing but on time by the time period of signal. So if I'm keeping this as 0.5 millisecond, then I will be having a square wave whose amplitude is 5 volt. We can see from here, and the frequency is going to be 1 kilohertz with a duty cycle of 50%. So now I will click OK, and just for convenience I will drag this over here. So now let's run this circuit. So I will keep the stop time to be, let's say, 1 second. So the circuit has been simulated, and I will keep my voltage probe over here. So I can see this generated signal. I will zoom in a bit, slightly more. Yeah, so now I can see that my generated square wave has maximum amplitude of 5 volts and the low level is 0 volts. So for checking the frequency, I will slightly zoom in the graph more. That's from here to here. So in order to calculate the frequency, take the cursor over here, then left click with your mouse and drag this till the end of this period like this. So you can see that the frequency is almost 1 kilohertz. I'll move this slightly ahead. So you can see that the frequency is almost 1 kilohertz. So this is it for this video. Thank you for being till here. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, suggestions or feedback, feel free to put them in the comment section. Thank you for being till here. Thank you so much.